This section we're going to be looking at how to combine like terms. Now in order to do this, all we have to do is look for the terms with the same variables. For example, on the first one here, we have 4x plus 5 plus 2x. Now we can't combine the 5 and the 4 because we don't know what the x value is. So what we can do is anything with that x variable, we can combine together. Now this is very important, is when we combine, you need to make sure that you keep whatever's in front of each term. So our new term will look like this: 4x plus 2x, which will equal 6x. So after we combine those two terms together, whatever we don't use, which in this case is the plus 5, gets moved down and our equation is completed. Moving over to the second one. Now we have more than one variable. So we're going to start off with 3y, and we have a negative 2y. So when we put them together, we have 3y minus 2y, which will give us 1y. Our next ones that we can combine together is positive 4x plus 3x, which will give us positive 7x. And the only thing we have left is plus 7. And there's the completed equation. Our last one, a little bit more difficult. We have three variables to deal with and a constant. So once again, we follow the same pattern where we go through and we see we have an x variable here. As we go, we have a positive x variable here, and we have a negative x variable here. So we combine them all together. 4x plus 2x gives us 6x, minus 4x, will give us 2x. Now once we've completed those, we can scratch them out if you wish, and we move on to our next one. Here we have positive 3y plus 2y, which will give us positive 5y. Now we move on to our next variable, which is negative 3z. Because we don't have any others, we can just move it down. And finally, we have our positive 8, and our equation is complete.